Imagine this. You're driving in heavy rain, visibility dropping every second, you reach for your wiper switch and nothing happens. The wipers are just frozen like they're on vacation. Tell me in the comments right now, has your wiper ever stopped working at the worst moment? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mr. Engine, and I help drivers fix car issues without getting ripped off by unnecessary repairs. Today, we're talking about a problem that can go from annoying to dangerous real fast. Wipers not moving when you turn them on. By the end of this video, you'll know the top causes and simple fixes you can try before spending money. Top reasons wipers won't move. Let's jump straight into the most common reasons your wipers won't move. Keycap 1 blown wiper fuse. Wipers draw power from an electrical circuit, and if the fuse is blown, nothing will work. It's like turning on a lamp with no power. Quick fix. Check your fuse box under the dash or hood. Look for the wiper fuse. If it's burnt, replace it, usually a few dollars. Keycap 2 faulty wiper motor. If you hear no sound at all when you turn the wiper switch on, the motor might be dead. But if you hear a humming noise, the motor is trying to work but something else is blocking movement. Quick fix. Tap lightly on the motor with a tool. Sometimes brushes inside get stuck. If it comes back to life, great, otherwise it may need replacement. Keycap 3 loose or stripped wiper linkage. This one is super common. The motor spins, but the wiper arms are not connected properly, so the blades won't move. Symptoms. You hear the motor, but wipers stay still or move weakly. Quick fix. Open the hood, locate the wiper linkage, and tighten the nuts. If the linkage socket is worn out, a replacement may be needed. Keycap 4 frozen or stuck wiper arms. In snowy or muddy conditions, wipers can get stuck to the windshield. Quick fix. Don't force it. Turn wipers off, warm the windshield, and gently free the blades. Keycap 5 bad wiper switch, stock switch. If every other part looks fine, the switch you use to turn wipers on may be faulty. Quick fix. Test for power at the motor or have a technician check the switch module. What to do first? Before you replace anything expensive, do this simple checklist. Turn wipers off and on again. Listen closely. Do you hear motor noise? Check fuse box for a blown fuse. Lift wiper arms and check if they move freely. Inspect the linkage under the hood. These 5 checks solve 80% of cases without spending serious money. Safety warning. If your wipers stop while driving in rain, do not keep driving blind. Slow down, pull over safely, and turn on your hazard lights. Driving without visibility is dangerous. If this video saved you time and money, hit that like button and share it with a friend who drives. And hey, drop a comment telling us which problem you had and whether you fixed it. Subscribe for more car repair tips so you never get stranded again. Thanks for watching, and remember, your engine may drive the car, but your wipers help you survive. Stay safe out there.